going? No apologies out, you guys. So for today's video, we have Foota Hype giving his take on why he thinks Sizzla Kalonji Burning is plaques that DJ Khaled sent to him. He's saying you guys only heard him saying the name is small on it, but this is exactly what took place. So on to the video.
Somebody said Kelly there's somewhere right now. I shout out Sizzla didn't believe in us. God did. Yeah, so as me that telling you earlier, me know say Shadi Sizzla was on Instagram burning the plaques that DJ Khaled sent to him. There was one for Father Facade and there was one for God Did. So here what going on. People tend to not to understand, right? I'm a different kind of person. Everybody by now must have say Foota always right. See? Foota always right. No, I might not say it exactly how it play out, but I'm always connecting the dots, crossing all the T's and dotting all the I's. No. Earlier today I tell you no, me did one spice. Can know that's to know so she now about dead. Me can talk, me did one spice. See? She didn't listen. Me want Shensia. She never listened. See? So much people when me can name when me give the warning, but nobody want to believe the warning because of Foota Hype. Them no believe say Foota Hype connected to God. Them believe say the pastor we have on the jacket and the tie connected to God. Them believe say the white man connected to God. But Foota can't connected to God. It's impossible the Foota connected to God. Here somebody say Jack here, I want him beg him say brother calm down, tone down, get help. Same thing all the time. See? More time I can't even prophesy about myself. Alright, so remember what he put up a post and say me dream see one of my cousin, one of my wicked cousin. And me never dream see them yet. You know, so the next day, me talk to my brother. My brother cannot tell me say, me have a girl cousin in Jamaica or run partner. She rob the people in partner money and gunman and look for her to kill her. Remember in my dream, it was about gun and my cousin me can't spell it out exactly how it will go, but me always get the message we go now. See? No. All of my vivid followers them. All of my vivid followers them will follow me over the years. No, say about 2 years ago, or a year and a half now, or probably about a year and a little bit, I dep on my live and I was speaking about the rest of them. I may talk how them quick to run and jump, as Khaled say, jump, but we, the selectors, them we set them career so that a Khaled can know them or one song from them, can't call them. You understand? We cannot call them. Now fast forward. I have to big up Sizzla Kalonji now. Can remember when them do wrong, me beat them in. And when them do right, me have to commend them. Now, I have to give Sizzla Kalonji props. From a day I take time forward back to him real self. And today was a major plunge into being back in real self. Right? Remember what him go and show, him bun them out, him sing back him song the right way. Him attack up the things then. What him supposed to do. There is no hope for you if you submit. Tell them that already now. There is no hope for the rest of the artists then if them submit to the demon. You cannot submit. Oh no, rich already. If Danny English them cannot survive, after 1 or 2 songs, Sizzla them can survive, them rich. Whole heap of song them have. If Nitty Kutchi them, Ghost them, Singer J them, some artists when they have the catalog where uno have can survive. Uno don't need to submit because uno can't broke again, uno can't hungry again. And this is my problem with the business. The thought of getting more make them lose themselves and receive less. Uno have to start stand up and be stern and be vivid and be vigilant. We do not blessing you and get ready. Anytime you don't think about what more you can get and don't think about what God gave to you to reach here, you are going to have a problem. What here? I want the rest of them keep it and drive go over one place him can't turn over. Thanks be to the ancestors, him not dead. Warning. Some first whole night dry as Sizzla go up on the stage, rain start fall, people ain't gone. Warning that again, you know. So me, I want to clear the ear, because you know people love chop up what me say and say what me not say and mix up the thing, right? Don't get me wrong, DJ Khaled was a good virgin of mine. DJ Khaled is a superstar. Me and Khaled now have no problem. Khaled is not my enemy. I don't blame Khaled for what he's doing. I blame our artists and selectors who allow Khaled to do what he's doing. Cannot blame Khaled for what he's doing. I want to listen to me good enough. Khaled is a friend of mine. And me used to pick up Khaled, me and a youth named Scary in office. And me used to, when Cash Money come at Jamaica, me a pack Khaled record and him a spin on me. Yeah, me and Khaled a par before all of these people saying DJ Khaled, DJ Khaled. Yeah, you know a newbie. Me a par, me and Khaled long time. Years, Wappy kill fill up. You understand? What I'm saying is no. I do not blame DJ Khaled for nothing that he's doing. I blame our artists and our DJs who allow it to happen. And I'm going to explain why. Now, there are some Jamaican people, right, who don't even understand what Jamaica is. They don't understand what's brand Jamaica. I see some people that say, oh, yeah, but Khaled turn up the business and help the business and input and contribute. What that about? What that about? Hold on. May I try to understand what you know talk about? Me we understand, you know. Me we understand if you not gonna tell me say, yes, we appreciate Khaled for embracing our culture. But don't tell me say him do something for Jamaican culture. We have the biggest culture on the planet. We have the #1 music in existence. We have been lied to. We have been robbed. We have been cheated. Meaning them cheat we out of the Grammy them, we will forget. Them cheat we out of the Billboard Awards them cheat we out of all of that. All of them distribution of them a tell lie and with numbers. Them now make we artists them get them real platinum them with them sell. Anytime they see them give artists real platinum and them something they him sell more than platinum. You see like when you see them give Shaggy diamond and quadruple diamond himself. They have been doing this for years. So do not tell me as if we are supposed to operate like DJ Khaled came and gave us dancehall. or Khaled come save dancehall. Khaled is my virgin, but don't overdo that something there. Them people are going like Khaled come save dancehall. No, dancehall save DJ Khaled. I'm going to repeat myself. Do not act or speak in the manner like DJ Khaled saved dancehall. Dancehall saved DJ Khaled. Dancehall made DJ Khaled a multi-millionaire. So don't get it twisted and don't get bright. If you don't know that something and not open your mouth and chat, and take on your finger and type on the bright. Khaled is not hustling. Khaled is being paid to promote and push agendas and brands. Before all this endorsement, because somebody just typed, oh, one way my endorse. Before all these endorsement, Jamaica, brand Jamaica, open and welcome Khaled with open arms. I am going to repeat myself. I am going to repeat myself, you know. Jamaica opened arms and accepted DJ Khaled. The licky mentality of Jamaican people is where the problem is. Yeah, if somebody say if Khaled come back, come work with us, it's gratitude. Yeah, but you have to understand this. And every work back with you is a good work back. And I'm going to show you why. Okay? You remember when we speak about the song with Mavado, Bojo Bantan and Sizzla Kalonji for the album named Father of a Star. Do you remember I had a problem with that song? Do you all remember that I had a major problem with that song? And I was venting on social media and everybody was saying I am bad mind, I'm a red eye, I'm a do all of that. Do you remember? Most of you people are visionless. You only see money and flair. That's why you get tricked all the time. How me could have cost about that 2 years ago and see today now, Sizzla rebel now. That means Foota was 2 years way forward than even the artists that were involved in it. That means my vision clearer than even the artists them on the song. DJ Khaled is a master producer. Him heavy. Him produce some huge, massive, big old song. Now, me I show you from when me a pre, you know. Mother is signed to We The Best Records. You could pre, you know. Want to calm down, slow down, listen. Mavado is signed to We The Best Records. First song, where them say them a drop with Mavado. Me sit down, I watch BT all day. Remember? At the time, my Mavado not deal. But I'm an artist. I'm a product, and me send him a road. So me still I go look. Me still I go watch what I go on. So when the song come on from BET, first the song is for sure, and then cancel say the song a show after me wait all day. And I want different date come on. Remember good, me not forgot nothing. So when the song come on, Amavada featuring Papoose. Remember? Movado featuring Papoose. So I'm not seeing no badge buy. Everybody just a listen and no badge now buy. I want people who can buy badges, you know. Who can buy badge here. So anyway, Papoose, like, no disrespect to Papoose, but Papoose no boss as no rapper. Papoose no carrying a weight. Papoose REMEBER baby father. REMEBER carry more weight than Papoose. So when I watch the video, I like me feel that way. And I say, big Khaled have Rick Ross, Khaled have T-Pain, Khaled have Little Wayne, Khaled have Baby them. Yo, Khaled have link with everybody. Meek Mills, Wale, be a people. And you give Papoose man a song, yeah? Papoose? Like, what you do? What you do? Try sing my brother career, try build it. Which one? Because to me, my brother bigger than Papoose. No joke. Like, make we really look into it. My brother is bigger than Papoose. So where you put Papoose by my brother song for? That can help Jamaica help my brother? No. Anyway, fast forward. We are talking about DJ Khaled, right? DJ Khaled will boss Future and Ace Good on them youth, right? I'm on that good cushion alcohol. I got a dime that I can go. Remember say, when the thing I go on, Ace come to Jamaica, come to my the party and back at it. See? Rihanna, Wild Thoughts, right? One of the biggest songs the world ever hear. Can I love that song that till me turn idiot. One day, Lato, Just Boss, Khaled do a song with her, and Mariah Carey. Am I right? Was it Mariah Carey, right? And then you have a next song with Mary J. Blige and somebody else, right? We speaking Mary, we speaking Rihanna, we speaking Mariah Carey, right? So you doing Jamaican songs, right? I'ma just speak my fucking mind. You doing Jamaica songs, right? Now, Buju Banton is released from prison. Yeah, he's your brethren. Me your brethren too. Jazzy T your brethren. Delano your brethren. Matarana your brethren. Who are we your brethren? So you cut your life short, everything where you do, fly to Jamaica. Fly to Jamaica. Link Buju. You put out a song. Buju. Movado. Sizzla Kalonji. I want girl I don't know. Now, in Jamaica, we know Movado is just a gangster youth, but him have locks. To the rest of the world, Movado is a Rasta man. Sizzla, big established Rasta man. Buju Banton, big established Rasta man. Right? Okay. So, you I show gratitude to Jamaica, right? Because somebody typed earlier say I show gratitude to Jamaica. So you showing gratitude to the island where give your glory. Because we give Khaled bigger glory than what America gave him before him bust. And Jamaica fully loaded him used to come and overloaded and Bounty Killer, It's a Party and all these things. And me and him used to part. So there's a video, on one video where you see him stand upside of the man. Okay. Yeah, the video had passed a while ago like somebody else. Me can go in the history now. So now, out of all these big giant artists where you have on the collaboration, on the album, you have Jay-Z, you have Nas, you have Beyonce, you have all these people. Why you put on a collaboration representing Jamaica with 3 Rastaman on it? One LGBTQ artist, one alphabet artist, to sing the hook on the Jamaican song with 3 Rasta. Who not see nothing wrong with that? Who not see nothing wrong with that? That's some man idiot, you know. We don't go watch Flair and watch Excitement and watch Big Name, you know. Who not see nothing wrong with that? Member, and not even like him put Queen Latifah or Deborah, where we know. This alphabet girl when put on the song, nobody no know her. Nobody no know her. Remember from this when I start cause I ramp with the Rasta. I play the Rasta, I no laugh with them thing there. This is how Sizzla them go wrong. They should have never did that song. Buju should have never dep on that song there. Sizzla should have never dep on that song there. Movada should have never dep on that song there. I'm just being honest. I'm just speaking facts. You cannot say you love Jamaica and you are give Jamaica a strength. Why you never give Mariah Carey sing the hook? Why you never give Mariah Carey sing the hook? Why you never give Rihanna sing the hook? Why you never even give the girl named Sizzla a sing the hook? Why you never give her a sing the hook? Why you give we an alphabet artist a big Rastaman, Sizzla Kalonji, big Rastaman, Buju Banton, big artist Movada, which is a Rasta to the international market because I'm image and the image sells. Why would you do that? But again, me I say me can't blame Khaled for what he do. The artists them should have reject the collaboration there. The artists them should have reject the collaboration there. You have couple collaboration with Sizzla do when should have reject. The collaboration with Foxy Brown, you should have never do it. When she say, have you ever seen a dread nigga bow? I go talk about Freaky, Zeke, Selector. How that we put out? How that we put out? All your voice pick up on a track like that? Shouldn't happen. So Sizzla finally wake up. Because he look like Sizzla said, Channel. When I melt down a little bit and see where I go on. You know if you melt down none at all. You know if you melt down none at all. Remember say, the way the ancestors them vex them deaf Foxy Brown, you know. She couldn't hear out her ears, you know. And Sizzla end up at jail, you know. You remember good? When them try prison Sizzla for gun and bag of sitting. And in that time the Foxy Brown deaf can't hear out her ears. Still see boxer nearly deaf or killer. You understand what I say? So again, I'm not telling you what my problem. My problem is preserving the culture. Not running down the spotlight, not running down the BET, it will forward. Remember, and since Khaled, Jamaican and dancehall artists I go up on BET and I lock the international scene, we can go as far back, way from Super Cat days. Ninja Man create history, the first artist to have a situ LP with him picture in it. He was signed to John Gotti, the real John Gotti. So I'm gonna big up for your badges. So what I say is, when we see some website and some people are gonna post like, ah, sorry Khaled, sorry for it, and come do some work with you, no, they have an ulterior motive. Khaled is signed to Rock Nation, which is owned by Jay-Z, where the underboss Rock Nation merged with Epic, which is L.A. Reid. And you know the history of L.A. Reid already. Him having big alphabet son. You know, say Puff Daddy merged with Epic and L.A. Reid. Puff Daddy have a hand in all of the little label them. So So for them thing is to infiltrate dancehall and break it down to nothing. So when you see them a come, with them laugh and them talking and them rare and them playing and them thing, you have to be careful. And every gift a good gift when I no. Me telling you all the while, be careful of the ones who come bearing gifts. You don't notice say, as much as me and mother than a day, because we have to end up calling him name, you know. As much as me and mother than a day, you don't notice say, mother than I try to do nothing with Khaled more than the ordinary. You know blind? You know say, mother than all him on. I'm going to find back to Jamaican song and find back to Jamaican producer. I join him with that John over there. Remember progress come turn up back in thing and at the top it's just us and him have to tap in back in the something. Remember just us song with him and Nicky Maraj come. But him have to tap back in the Jamaican something them for. He's not lazy, you see honesty? Ready for survive or lazy. You have to understand these things. Khaled sign him, I bring in producer, I bring in this, bring in that, and I produce the wrong song, them can't lift up. Because of Stephen the Genius, them and Jordan, them and that's it, because them and some man create the hits them run my father. And the writing team are Chase and Flex and Kibaki them and Foota them help find some little style and some little something and him they run him friend them and him hear some slang and hear some talk and him himself in a garrison and tap in and once the element they're gone, oh you have to find it. Oh you have to find it. Oh you have to find it. So you have to understand, me don't want a body to come going like Khaled, do something for your music. We do for Khaled. Remember if you watch Khaled history, Khaled was never always on the mic though. More listen to what I say now. Khaled was never always on the mic though. Some of them gonna deal with no one to see now. Our style of selecting Khaled tech and go plunge into American society and become the biggest thing. Who are Khaled idol in the music? Rory, Tony Mataran, Jazzy T, Dylan from Renaissance. Ask him. He will tell you. He used to just go chuk, 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 chuk. Use him lip, cross theater. We not do that. We are bad people, we go up on stage front and talk. Remember when him come up fully loaded and me and him a power and buckle a fling and the sound box drop off and lick him in him head side and me take the speaker box off of him head. And him still start checking the big bus and I say, no head no boss, come in. Foop. A big fat sour Owe, we drop out, me him soul rest in peace. My taxi driver, him used to carry on Khaled, call Khaled and ask him, merge him on the life, tag him if you think alive, me I tell our thing him use and get rich. Want to uno. Want to uno. Wanna talk about. So me soon I get crazy and I go and frightened about Sizzla shouldn't do what him do. If him offend the man or you mean, burn that. And we have the biggest music. And we have the biggest music in the world. And that's why them can't chat to me because I know myself. Most of the Jamaican don't know themselves. When feel like a handled people are gonna drain them and drain the energy. You have to know when somebody come take from you from when somebody again. Why Rihanna couldn't sing the hook for Movado and Buju and Sizzla song? Why? Give me a collab with Jay-Z. You have everybody in your answer. But when you don't understand what I'm going, the puppet masters that are instructing Khaled what to do does not want Jamaica to get the big look. And you notice who Khaled work with? I'm going to show you the next thing again. Because if we waking up, you know, remember a long time, I want to say something, you know, top brass, big up to the badges. Big up all who contribute to the live and I buy badges. I'm showing you something now. Is Capleton, Sizzla, Bounty Killer, and Buju Banton the only artists who give Khaled strength when him a boss? Want to Elephant, Want to toddler them. Want to look at artists them with give him whole heap of strength to. Want to war 21 them. You see my work with them? Them are not Rasta. The problem is Rasta. The problem is Rasta. When I think in our head, why him always a come to the rest of them? Why him always a come to Cape Town and Sizzla and Butchie? All the time. Yeah, him work with Killer, but him work with the rest of them more. When I think in our head, Tarek Shatter, what go on? What joke, Tarek? That's why I say I work with Bunty too and I work with them, but want to the little youth them will give a whole of strength too. Aaron Butchers, me never say him no work with nobody else. Me say why him always I come for the rest of them. You know, hear. When you not listen. This is with my Jamaican people when they don't listen to the words of me use. Me say him always I come for the rest of them. Always. Because like when you not listen. Me never say, oh, Khaled never work with nobody else. I say, why is he always coming for the rest of them? That's why you not get chick all the while, you not listen. You hear some words and you listen some. Today Sizzla about the thing and the man talk a million things. How him feel disrespected and bag of things. Zin? Zin? How come you not go pick out where Sizzla say him name small on the plaque? You not listen nothing else? Nothing else you not listen what Sizzla say, you know? You don't talk about, oh, him a costume name small on the plaque. And not that alone, the man a cuss, bro. The man say him insult him, him disrespect him. Sizzla gonna just a find out how deep in an alphabet thing that girl there is with them on the song with them. I mean hear from the grapevine say the song now with Kalonji them is the soundtrack of an alphabet movie. That not go public yet, but me here say that cost the whole of the ruckus now. That me here say call the whole of the ruckus now. Make that a head cheaper off anybody. You understand me here say this song, don't quote me, cause me hear it from the street. Say this song is now the movie soundtrack of an alphabet movie. Big up Tarek Shatter and buy some badges, big up the whole Kingston family. What I'm saying is, don't you ever see Khaled post certain artists? Ever see Khaled try to work with certain artists? Only think that by accident? Only think say certain artists not talented enough? That anything? No, let me ask you know. Are that anything? Only thing say certain artists not have the talent, they do. But the puppet masters don't want you to work with those artists. They puppet master them because they are puppet masters. Someone who don't even know say when you hear Cash Money Records, you have Cash Money Records, Young Money Records, Maybach Music, We the Best. And then you have Def Jam way up right up. You have Def Jam South or Def Jam or Epic or I know when they hear them record label, I know once you don't see the fine print, you know. You don't see the fine print. There are shot callers. Khaled is the man at the forefront. But he's not the shot caller all the time. So you have to be careful. So sometimes when you see them come and them put together certain things, and you see them go for Capleton, and them go for Sizzla, and them go for Bojo, them have an ulterior motive. Them have a look what they want to present to the world. I want to show you something I never see. I'm sure you want domino effect with the music we never see before. Coffee. I want you to listen carefully. Coffee is now the female face of reggae. It's not Etana, it's not Queen Africa, it's not Marcia Griffiths, it's not the right honorable Rita Marley. Coffee is the face of reggae now. We all know that coffee is not over our side. Coffee is over the other side. Image wise, everything. Over alphabet side, she's there. So in their transcript, it's going to say, now the face of reggae is over the other side. Want to get deeper than that now? Want to get deeper than that? The face of dancehall, the queen of dancehall is Spice, and the new face of dancehall is Shensia. Now, look on the infiltration. Look on the damage we are getting to a culture. Spice went and did an LGBTQ show, giving the highlight that it's over. The face of reggae is questionable, which is Coffee as female. The queen of dancehall just indoctrinate dancehall in the Doodoo Hall of Fame. Then the new face of dancehall come on Angela Yee show and say she's all about anal sex, and she did it before but it never do good, so she gonna try it again. So the new face of dancehall is over the alphabet side. The queen of dancehall is over the alphabet side. The face of reggae over the alphabet side. Wanna see what happened? And then now this song with Sizzla, Buju and Movado is chorused by an alphabet artist. It's not an artist where do music where do both ways, you know. She is an alphabet artist. She is known in the alphabet world for them artists. So when music get infiltrated from reggae, Coffee around the part there. Dancehall, New Face, Shensia, talk plain so she gonna do though. Spice, play herself and go and do though. And then Khaled come do up the rest of them thing with that song. One day if you get your drift now. One day if you catch your drift. One day if you understand what's going on. Me I try one day if you understand now. When you get an idea of what me I say now. You know, say a tune have short-term memory. When you remember when the song go ra-ta-ta-ta, bless, 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 bless. You remember? You remember when I cuss and burn out the song? Why me the cuss and burn out the song? I cuss and burn out the video. Because in the video, them have a Rasta man in the video. I was so about Rasta, I couldn't want to put Rasta in every dirty video. Remember the video started with Shensia and one Dolly pretending to be a girl and wake up out of bed. And she said she wake up in the morning. When I wake up, I'm so blessed. And then you see the Rasta are chanting in the video. So, you don't understand that there is an attack on Rastafariism. Rastafariism is an attack, and Sizzla them just a wake up and I see it. Foota Hype I see it long before. No, me glad Sizzla waking up. Don't get me wrong, it better late than never. But you don't see say them attack Rasta all long. You don't see say Rasta them infiltrate. You don't see say them try to make Rasta look doo-doo up on the blind. Una sleep. Una take too much Mali. Una smoke too much hookah, wagwan. Too much NEC now in the system. Una see wagwan. Una see wagwan. How much more things you want me show now? What do you want me show now? The music business is attacking and infiltrating Rasta and a Jamaica. And a Jamaica, them a target. But the Jamaican artists, them only see money. Because they will say, hey, Foota broke. Me sure when me drink a glass of water, my thirst quench. I'm sure say if you drink a bottle of Hennessy now, your thirst not quench. And the water cheaper than the Hennessy. So, Sizzla just a see what going on. So I wonder if Capleton not see what going on yet. And I wonder if Buju not see what going on yet. Because them infiltrate Buju too, you know. Them disrespect Buju in a major way. And here I can't blame them. Buju shouldn't allow it to happen. And I say it already, I say it like people may love Buju, you know. But I don't like what I see I go on. Buju are one of my general them. But if I saw a friendship I got end and mash up, I saw it have to go. Because my purpose different. See? You remember when Buju come from jail? Buju have a son named Marcus. Him do Buju proud. Him do Buju proud. Can make a name for himself. That's by Buju forward back him our son, who is a solid producer. We produce some hits and work on whole for hits song. Me think say, as Buju come, him voice a song for him son. He didn't. One of the first songs Buju voice is a song with Coffee. Look what Buju watch this too. Our brother Fuka, our Jabba, or anybody we affiliated with Buju and show him it. Because I now disrespect him, I now style him, I just speak facts. See? One of the first songs Buju do when him come out is a song with Coffee. Now why would you do that? Why would you do that? Obviously you don't do that after your own. Ghost around there, Nitty Kochi around there. The amount of artists where you left for the 10-year around there. See? The amount of artists where you left around a year camp for the 10 years. I should have want Gargamel medley with ear. I should have want Carlisle medley with ear with Ghost, Nitty Kochi, Buju, Jazeel, Marcus. Just be a year people them around there. One bad medley. You do a song with Coffee. Me you know people remember me down there you know. This is how I Buju can vex with me when me talk. Nothing when me I talk. And him tell me. I don't know. Jump through nobody window and see it. See? General be around there. We and one that's a veteran. They carry in a game to a certain level. So me go say no. And me hear say them this song. Buju and Coffee. First thing, me never agree with that collab there. In that first place. Buju and Coffee nothing do no song. At all. Because Coffee thing not sure and Buju are one of his stalwart general to straightness. See? So, when me go watch the video, because remember me, when Buju come from foreign, from jail, a foreign me live. Me live a foreign. When me click on the video, and me watch the video, and me look in the video, it hurt my nerves. True word. It hurt my nerves. I'm disappointed. I'm ashamed like dog. Because when me looking at the video, me see a butch girl sit down with a regular looking girl and two picnic in a family settings. So that tell me that this is what the family structure should look like now. A butch girl and a straight looking girl and two kids on the step. My heart pain me. I can't Buju video this. If you did, I'm going to do a song with Coffee. How it reach to this? How the visuals are sell the message here? Then, me watch the video some more. Me see them a show one protest a go on. And one big old rainbow flag in it. Me stressed out again. I see him video, me not talk about two different videos. You know? I see him video one big old rainbow flag in it. You know? Uji Bantan Gargamel Buju Bantan my G one of my inspiration to straight like arrow.